guys, you are welcome back to my channel. So today we'll be looking at naming of organic compounds again, alkane. So like from our previous video, we must have learned some stuff. So in naming of organic compound, first of all check out the longest carbon chain. That is this is 1 2 3 4 5. So the longest carbon chain here is 5. So let's start with our naming. And from our previous video, we learned that when giving numbers to our substituents, we follow the way that will give our substituent the lowest number possible. So let's take it this way. Let's start from here. This first carbon, our chlorine here is attached to the first carbon, our bromine, then methyl, that's it. This CH3. So let's name this compound now. So let's start from here. Our chlorine here is attached to the first carbon, that is 1. Remember, hyphen in between numbers and the alphabet. 1 chloro. Our bromine is attached to the second carbon. 1 chloro. 2. Remember, another bromine here. 3. Hyphen between alphabet and number. Dibromo. Remember, the reason for this di is because there are 2. If there are 3, it will be tri. If there are 4, it will be tetra. So okay, let's continue. Dibromo. Then this is our methyl is attached to the third and the fourth. Okay, 3 4 methyl. Remember, the longest carbon chain is 5. And remember, any organic compound that has 5 carbon is pentane. So this is the name for this compound. As you can see, there is nothing difficult in naming organic compound. It's just too simple. It's just for you to follow the certain pattern, and then you get everything right. So thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe, and God bless you.